poppin'? It's your boy Slick, and we are back with another reaction video. If you are not part of the Slick gang, make sure you scroll down below, hit that subscribe button. Why? Because we are the littest gang on the tube. No Capitan. Today we are checking out another suggestion of one of my subscribers saying that this is another banger that you need to listen to, Slick. So you need to go on and listen to it. And of course, I followed. I know Slick gang only provides flames for me, just flames, okay, only. So I'm pretty sure this is gonna be a little vibe because it's the big hash, you know. He always bring a good, you know who I even can see him fucking with is with like Frank Ocean. Like he kind of feels like he can, you know, get to that, you know, to that level of just like, ooh, this makes me feel some type of way. Because Frank Ocean was another one of those, and Big Hash gives me that feel like, damn, this song feels really, really good. Like most of the songs that I've listened to feel like that. So I'm pretty sure this is gonna be another one of those. This one is called Ringtone. Another vibe coming.
Switched up on me.
Yeah. Oh, this feels like Party Next Door right here, cause of the beat. The beat sounds like a Party Next Door type beat, but he's gonna body this. I already know it. I already know it.
I'm up now, so you know. I don't pick on my phone. I guess in my talk. Yeah. I don't wanna feel like you stuck with me. Time to think about it all, I know you never used to fuck with me.
Yeah.
I love now, so you know. I don't pick on my phone. I guess in my tongue. I guess in my tongue. I guess in my tongue.
That beat is so hard, and he's. Why y'all keep doing this to me? Y'all keep doing this craziness to me. This is.
I don't pick on my phone. I guess in my tongue. I guess in my tongue. I guess in my tongue.
Word, fact. Had to pass that shit. Pass that shit.
You have me feeling some type of way. I got pretending I'm okay. Not like you was ever in the I can pressure more than the pain. So when you call me, I never try to tell you. Girl, I just want you to stay in your own lane, do your own thing. I'm doing mine my own way. Echo inside my chest, it's all like all way. Back when it was smooth, but you resorted to foreplay. This damn shit changed when you in the downway. Guess you should've never switched up on me. Yeah. Now all you do is look up to me.
Now you do look up to me. He's such a vibe, bruh. I don't know. Just the vibe. That's all I can say. I don't know what else to say to you guys. Like, I'm happy that I found this guy. Tonight, I'm going to be throwing all 3 or 4 songs that circles again. I forgot what the other one is. And then he had one with Nasty C, was it? I think. And I'm just gonna put them all in a playlist, and you gotta let it run. It fits that vibe, that Party Next Door, even certain songs from Drake. I can imagine him being on OVO. Like, he could be on some OVO shit. That's the vibe I'm getting. Let me know if I'm tripping. Am I tripping or am I tripping? That he should be, like, if anybody was to sign him, the one person or one group or one label that comes in mind is OVO. Let me know if I'm tripping. Comment down below, let me know if I'm tripping. Don't wanna feel like you stuck with me.
Think about it all, I know you never used to
fuck with me. Yeah, fuck with me. Yeah.
I don't pick up my phone. I guess I'm not so good. I guess I'm not so. I guess I'm not so. Oh, now in my zone. I want you to leave me alone. I guess I'm not so. I got no so you know. I don't pick up my phone. I want you to leave me alone. I don't with the roads as far as it goes. Don't worry about me. I'm fucking these hoes. I wanna be. I'm putting the blows. I'm finding my feet. I don't play with my nose. I wonder if you for keeps. When you striking that pose. When you striking a nerve. You're a thorn in the rose. All these bitches I've heard. Keeping you on your toes. But you're late. Switch work. But you listen to the pros. I don't mean no impose. You're a friend and a foe. You're the reason I live and the reason I can't let go. All these bitches I roll get similar to your quotes. All these niggas you leave were telling you to take it slow. You got need for your speed. You got plenty of greed. Always get what you want. But never what you need. Never playing to the side. Cause you out of your league. Got shit all the time. So you spending it on my
Yeah, he's just playing around on this. He's super duper talented. He's up there. I don't know. I just wish he would have more recognition for what the fuck he bringing to the table, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, Nasty C and Big Hash should do a song completely just together, and I feel like that would be on some Wayne and Drake type stuff. You know, Drake in his feelings shit, and with Nasty C's Wayne type of mentality on it. Or I don't even know, man. I just be thinking, especially when I'm hearing really, really good stuff from these artists that you guys recommend to me all the time, and it's just like, man, I wish I had a bigger platform to bring like more attention to these artists in an impactful way. You know what I'm saying? In a real impactful way, especially with all the other content that will come on this channel, like finding unique ways to, you know what I'm saying, plug this song, plug that song. Like, ooh, this boy hard. Ooh, I'm gonna go listen to this, and then it ends up being on more people's playlists. You know what I'm saying? This deserves to be on a Spotify playlist and hit you, and you be like, ooh, who's this? And make you look at your phone type shit, right? Like, let me know if y'all agree or not. Like, am I just chatting or am I, you know what I'm saying? Like,
I got shit changed on me. You should've never switched up on me. Yeah. Now the niggas look up to me. Yeah. I'm up now, so you're the ones. I don't pick on my phone. I guess I'm not all. Yeah. I don't wanna feel like you stuck with me. Going back in time and think about it all, I know you never used to fuck with me. I'm up now, so you're the ones. I don't pick on my phone. I guess I'm not so good. I guess I'm not so. I guess I'm not so. Oh, now in my zone. I want you to leave me alone. I guess I'm not so. I'm up now, so you're the ones. I don't pick up my phone. I want you to leave me alone.
And it's the length of a song that you have to vibe to. That's why I'm not talking so much, because it's like you gotta just vibe to it. You can't just be like, that ain't a 2-minute song. You'll be pissed if it was a 2-minute song. This is a 4-minute and 15-second song. This is a song you gotta sit there and vibe to. You could, you know what I'm saying? Like I'll be thinking about this area right here. But this, now you in the dark. Now it feels like it's nighttime. You know, you got a couple LED lights with colors around you and shit like that. Like, it's a vibe. You could just be chilling with some. Now you're not drinking wine like I said in the past ones. I'm saying, like, now you drinking some. You know what I'm saying? You know, you got some. You know what I'm saying? So let me know your drink of choice in the comment section below. It could be Kool-Aid or liquor. Let me know. Yeah, absolute vibe. This dude is a complete vibe. Complete vibe. Let me know if you think that I'm tripping about him saying that he should be on OVO, or this is a perfect song for if it was just him and Nasty C, or if another good feature would be like Party Next Door type shit. Like, this is Party Next Door type shit right here. This is fire. But I don't know, man. I just highly appreciate the Big Hash for distributing this fire-ass, smooth, good-feeling music. Music that makes you get the feels is good music. That's all I can say. That's all I can motherfucker say. But look, I appreciate y'all for clicking on this video. What I need you to do before you leave is please like, like this video, comment down below, and let me know. More importantly, please subscribe. Peace.
Josh on a fucking beat.